Hi guys, how are you? And most welcome to my YouTube channel Study of Laws. Today in this video we are going to discuss what is anticipatory bail. Yes, in this video I will try to explain what is anticipatory bail in very simple language and in my own words, so you can easily understand that what is anticipatory bail. First of all, we should know that what is meaning of word anticipatory. If you know the meaning of the word anticipatory, you can easily guess that what may be in this section 438 of CRPC. That's why you should know the meaning of anticipatory words to understand that what is anticipatory bail. The meaning of anticipatory word is, yes, the meaning of the anticipatory word is reasonable probability that something is going to be happen, and apprehension that something is going to be happen. But in this section this term is used in negative sense, so you can say that anticipatory word meaning is reasonable probability that something bad is going to be happen. Yes, something is going to be bad happen. So if you forget the section 438 of CRPC, what is anticipatory bail, you can easily remember this section if you know the meaning of anticipatory word. Now see what is the difference between the regular bail and anticipatory bail, and when the stage of anticipatory bail comes. And let's see, anticipatory bail is one of the form of bails. We know that the stage of regular bails comes after the arresting of the person, but the stage of anticipatory comes before the arrest of the person. Yes, this is basic difference between the regular bail and anticipatory bail. Now see what is anticipatory bail and what is its procedure. Where any person has reason to believe that he may be arrested on false accusation or false FIR, he may move an application to High Court or Court of Session that in this condition of such arrest he should be released on bail. That is to say, in anticipatory bail, a person has reason to believe, yes, a person has reason to believe that he may be arrested on the ground of false accusation or false FIR because of enmity, because of animus. So he may move an application to High Court or Court of Session to release on bail. If aforesaid court thinks fit that applicant may be arrested on false accusation or false FIR, court may grant bail to applicant person, and court thinks that uh, bail should not be granted to him, uh, court may reject the bail. It is discretionary power of court. He may reject the bail and he can accept and grant the bail. This is discretionary of court. Discretion of court. Let's see one case. Sunil Kumar Sinha versus State of Jharkhand. Rejection of bail is proper if evidence on ground shows prima facie commission of offence. That is to say, if court thinks prima facie offence is committed, it is proper to reject the bail. This is anticipatory bail. I think you understood very well that what is anticipatory bail. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, and any problem you have about this topic you can ask me in the below question box, and there is a link in a description box, you can read my article on anticipatory bail. Thank you very much.